Hi guys, welcome to this video about how to transfer pictures or videos from the Panasonic FZ80 to a mobile phone or to a computer. So I have this camera. I own this not since long time, just a couple of days, and so I'm looking into that. Yeah, I'm always interested to know what's the easiest way to transfer pictures and videos, and it has been not so easy. It's one of the only functionalities which are not self-explaining, or I think at least it's not self-explaining. So of course you always have the possibility to take out the storage card from here. Just push in and take it out, put it in your computer and transfer it. So no problem at all. So I'm closing that. The other possibility, of course, is to connect it with an USB cable, micro USB cable. It was one of these cables came with the camera, so no problem to connect it. You open the Explorer. There are a lot of explanations in the internet. So what I'm talking about here is mainly the wireless feature. The good thing, it has wireless features, a lot of wireless features. You can connect it with your PC, with your cloud, with your smartphone, but it's not so easy. That's the thing. So we first, of course, always have to turn it on. And for Wi-Fi, the easiest thing for me is to go to the play with the green button, and then that's the default button. You can reassign the Wi-Fi, but when you are on play, the default is this is the Wi-Fi button, and you will see that this light turns on, and so the Wi-Fi starts. And here you will see the SSID, means the that's the Wi-Fi, name of the Wi-Fi which the camera is emitting itself. So the camera creates a some kind of hotspot, and here you have the password, but you don't have to write it down. You can use the QR code on your app. So the easiest thing is to transfer it to a mobile phone. I have to log in, of course. So when we are here at the Google Play Store, so normal Google Play, and we search for just Panasonic, and we Google Panasonic, the first thing we find is the Panasonic Image app. Hope you can see that. So this is, we have to install and then open. I have already installed that. When you open that, hope you can see that, it's a little bit reflecting. Then you can, or usually it will ask you for a QR code. It's searching the camera. So hope this usually, it was reflecting. I didn't see that. Yeah, here on the left side, it's asking for QR code. It's hard to see, left side QR code. I was actually waiting for that. Okay, I'll try to hit that. Okay, and then we go close to the camera. Of course, we shouldn't have something in between, like the strap here. So we put it in front, so, and that we get the QR code inside the blue box, and then it should actually connect to the Wi-Fi which has been prepared by the camera. I've already done this and it didn't work, so I've done this with another mobile phone and there it worked. So I'm trying again here. I hope this time it will work. Image app has stopped. So I've tried a second or third time. It looks like now this time it working. It asks me if it can copy the Lumix Club login. When you when you try to go online and try to do something, it will offer you to create a Lumix Club login. So, and I have done this here. It's pretty easy. You can use the touch screen. And the only thing, when you are there and you get your login and your password and everything, you have to make a screenshot. I mean, you have to use your mobile phone, make a photo of this login, otherwise, or write it down. So, and the thing is stored here, and you can use your login on your PC. Go to the PC and go to Lumix Club. Google for Lumix Club and use your credentials from the camera and log in there, and you can set up everything from there. It's not a nice page, but it works for most of the things. So I say copy, yes, and it should now be connected. We can remote control the camera, but we can transfer also images. We say batch transfer, we say all, and we say, all, photos and videos, and we say all pictures. And now, yeah, we have to give authorization, and you see it's pretty, yeah, fast. I won't say super fast, but it works. So it copied now the pictures to the phone. So that definitely works. That's a good thing. Apart from that, you have other possibilities. I'm going back now. Let's try. I'm not sure. Yeah, I just stopped the camera. It's the easiest thing, I guess. I start it again. I go to play and I go press this thing, and again Wi-Fi is on, and it gets to this side where we have more options, like the thing here. We press the select Wi-Fi function here, and then we have different functions. So I can select from the things which I have already been using. That's really nice thing. So I click on that now, and as you can see, there is I have already been using connection to my LG phone. I have uploaded to Picasa and also to YouTube, and everything worked fine. So you can use these things. That's really nice. And also the camera is storing the Wi-Fi credentials. That's a good thing. But we can also use new connection, and there we usually, these are other functions, but here the thing on top, on the bottom, is send images stored in the camera. When we click on that, we get more options. We can say smartphone, PC, cloud sync service, web service, so many options. So smartphone we have already seen. PC I haven't found out how this works. I think we have to download a software first. Without it didn't work, so I'm still trying. I hope I will find. But the web services you can configure when you create this online, this Lumix Club. The credentials that you get here when you go into this menu first time, you will be offered to create a login at the Lumix Club, and so you can go online and then connect your Google, like Google Drive or whatever you can connect, so you can use it from here. So I click, I hope you can see that it's saying web services. I click on that. I can choose either via network or direct. I use network. From list I can choose any network. Here my Wi-Fi settings. When I choose an existing, which he already knows, he's using the passwords, so the passwords are stored. That's really a good thing. And so yeah, here I have all these options. These are from the Lumix Club, so you definitely have to go online to the Lumix Club and go there and create. Yeah, maybe I can and show you what it is. So I'm just like not screen recording. I'm recording with the camera. I'm sorry for that. It's not super stable. I hope you can just still see that. It says lumixclub.panasonic.net. Here you have to log in with the credentials which you get from your camera itself. You log in and then you go to, I think that was here, web services. It's a little bit hard to understand. A few things I haven't been able to understand. Here are the things: web service, link settings, and then here you have your Google Drive, Twitter account, YouTube, everything. Here what I'm using is actually the Picasa. It's an old expression. I mean, these days it's Google Photos. Most of the people are using Google Photos to store their pictures. So it just says Picasa, but if you use that, then it will upload pictures to Google Photos. That's photos.google.com, the website. And I've already set up this here, not Twitter, not other things, but I have set up Google, like Picasa, Google Photos, and I will show you how this works on the camera. So it really only works when you have already set it up on the web page. And then you see it has a different icon. When the things which you haven't updated or set up, they have a red thing. Hope it's a little bit difficult to show. Yeah, now I think you can see that. You see the Twitter account has a red circle with a strike, and the Picasa has a blue one, and the blue means it should work. So I click on that and it says just what it is: size, automatic, file format, JPEG, delete location. I think I cannot do anything else. I just click on set. What's that? Oh, I haven't seen that. I think it looks like I can select multiple pictures. Let's try that. Oh, that's good. So I have selected now both pictures. I click on OK. Proceed, yes. And you see it's uploading to Picasa, which is not Picasa anymore, but Google Photos. I have already checked, pictures are there, so this also works. So you don't have to use your cell phone, but of course you have to be connected to a Wi-Fi. To Wi-Fi, but that's a good thing. So pictures, yes, you don't have to use your cell phone. That's an alternate way. Yeah, I hope you can see that. It's a little bit reflecting. Takes some time, but it works. Okay, the only thing which I haven't found out till now is the PC transfer. I haven't found any instructions regarding that, but I think it will be, I will have to download the program from Panasonic. It's not easy to find it, but in the meantime, yeah, I'll work with these two options, with the cell phone and with direct update. And so I hope that works also for you. Okay, yeah, I didn't want to let you go, so I digged a little bit in the PDF. Here you see that's the instruction PDF. This is 311 pages. It's quite a lot. You can use, looks like you can use the Photos font. I haven't found where it is on the Panasonic page, but that's the name of the game, I mean the name of the program. When you download it, probably you can use it to transfer. If you are not using Photos Fun, then you can share a folder. Yeah, it should be done like here. So you go just to any folder, or you create a folder like here, right click on that, go to properties, and then we have sharing, and then share, and you give a name. I have already done this. Okay, I don't do it again, but this is how it works on PC. And on the other side, on the camera, of course, you select here, then you go to new connection, then you go send images stored, PC network from list, because I've already stored the Wi-Fi password. Here we take the first one. It will use the existing password, and now it's trying to find the PC. So there are different options when it's not working, like if there is some problem with the firewall, or I've seen that when the PC, when the name of the PC is too long or has dashes or whatever, then it could have problem to find it with the camera, and they suggest to change the computer's name, but I don't know if it's a good idea. I would never change computer name just because of the camera, because I think it's too dangerous. It could have a lot of bad impact. Yeah, I cannot guarantee. I mean, yeah, I don't know for sure, but I think it could be a dangerous thing to change the computer name just for something like this. So maybe it's better to use the program, Panasonic program, or just use other options which I've been showing to you. Here it says select PC. As you can see, it hasn't found, so I can input manually the name. Probably it won't work anyway. So yeah, maybe it will work for you. I was just showing you how this could work. Maybe it will work for you too, but anyway, I hope I have been able to help you a little bit with that. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.